Hi, it's Debbie from Create Pretty Things. How are you guys doing today? It's a lovely Sunday. I'm happy that you've got time off to watch this video. If you see the live button up at the top, you're watching me live. If you don't see it, it is a replay. So please comment hashtag replay if you don't see the live button. That'll let me know that you watched. Okay, today I'm on to tell you a little bit about becoming a designer for Chalk Couture. It's a way to run a business and sell this product. So if you want to run a business, all you have to do is sign up as a designer, and then you will have everything you need to sell this product. So to sign up, you would just comment info on this video, and it'll send you back a link with the information. So the designership right now is a really, really good deal, and I do highly advise getting it now. It is only $10 for the access pass. It's normally $20. It's $10 this month till August 31st, and that will get you your first month. So as a designer, you're going to pay $20 a month. You're going to pay, that fee is for mainly your Chalk site setup. So you will get a Chalk site, which is a Chalk Couture site that has your business name at the end, where people will click to buy products from you. Now, when they click and buy products from you through that website, you will receive a 25% commission. So that cost to do this is $20 a month, but you will also receive a $20 product credit for you to use. So you can use that for any product you want. You could also use it to sign up for Club Couture under your name so that you can get that to showcase it. So as a designer, you can earn commissions and bonuses on things that you sell, but you don't have to sell. You can sign up if you want just to use the discount. Designers get a 40% discount on all product, which is incredible. Even if you just want to use the product, it's a great deal. And that's why I initially signed up. I wanted to create with the product. I wanted to see what it was all about. Plus, they offer this great designer starter kit. So I do have the starter kit right here. It changes occasionally. They may offer different paste colors, different paste samples. They may offer different boards, surfaces, transfers, different perks with that kit. So this is the current kit right now. And this kit is 50% off. It's only $49 this month. So gosh, guys, if you want to become a designer, if you want to just try it out, now is a perfect time to do it. The holidays are coming up. People want to create. They want to decorate. They want to sell gifts, give gifts. They may want to do a market and sell gifts. So this is a perfect time to sign up. Okay, let's open up this starter kit. Let's get started. First of all, it says, welcome to Chalk Couture. It gives you a little description, little information. Then you've got some transfers. So you have got some A-size transfers. Now these are our smallest transfers. These are the 5x7. Sometimes they're 4x6. But this one is Be Our Guest. And as you can see, I may need to turn off this light. It's reflecting. Okay. As you can see, you can put Be Our Guest, or Be Yourself, or Be Beautiful. You can substitute those and do whatever you want. And we do sell frames and surfaces that fit this perfectly. So here's one, and this is also in our trial sample kit that you can send out to people. So here's one. Here's another one. It says handcrafted, handmade by, oh, I think you guys need a little light on here. I'll just hold it up so that you guys can see. I'll hold it closer. Okay. So it has a bunch of little tags so that you can show that you designed this, and you can cut these on the score lines and make it say whatever you want. Okay, then we have, it looks like 3 B-size transfers. We have Together, we have The Good Life, Bloom as You Grow, and it has some flowers. So these are sticky reusable transfers that they are giving, and this is the beauty of the whole product for you guys to sell this. Here is one that has a bunch of canned goods, so it's kind of summery, It shows like some canned stuff, so you can use this to make labels. You can just do a cute sign with it. There's all kinds of stuff on this one. And this one is called the That's My Jam. That's My Jam. So that one's included in there. And then family, forever, and always, no matter what. You guys, I don't know what the best way to do this. I'm going to turn this off. Okay, so this one is a good evergreen transfer. It would go perfect on our 8.5 by 11. So the B size are the sizes that your club transfer usually comes in if you have a club membership. And these are a perfect size. I love this size. So those are the transfers you are going to receive. 3 B size transfers and 2 A size transfers. You're going to get this famous teal fuzzing cloth. It's amazing. You use this to fuzz your transfers to reduce the stickiness. Do you have to use this? Do you have to have this to use the transfers? No. The color is amazing. One side is microfiber, the other side's terry. You can use the microfiber cloth to clean off stuff, absorb water. This is amazing. You're going to get 2 board erasers. These are one of my staples. I love these. You want to clean the back of the transfers, the front of the transfers, get all your paste out of your transfers if you want to wash off a surface that you've already scraped paste off, because a lot of times our paste can be scraped off of certain surfaces, and you can use these board erasers to get all the remaining paste off. These are amazing, these board erasers. You're going to get some packets of paste. Let's see what's in here. So it looks like you're going to get 6 individual packets. Here are the colors I got. Guava. Okay, guava. Storm. Bright white. Bright white is a necessity. It really is. Ocean mist, which is a blue. It's kind of like a bluish purple. Eucalyptus. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know what the best way for this is. Eucalyptus, which is our beautiful green. It's very mellow, very muted, very neutral. We have Dune, which is like a beige, like a sandy color beige. And we have Ocean Mist. Ocean Mist is a blue. Now, when you get these packets, you're going to want to kind of mash them around to kind of get them mixed up, but those are 6 paste packets you're going to get. You can use them to demonstrate product. You can use them to, you can sell these with other in a kit maybe, give them kit color options. You can use those. You also get a full jar of black velvet. This is another staple. This is a full jar. It's amazing. Use it for so many things on a blackboard. You need the black, you need the white. Oh, and they do give you a full jar of bright white. So these 2 you're going to use the most often. This is amazing on a dark surface. This is amazing on a white surface or a light surface. 2 full jars and 6 sample paste packets. You're going to get, this is our detail tool. Is that right? Yeah, our detail tool. It has a very small squeegee on one end, and this cap removes, and it's got a pointed end. It's good for lifting up stuck transfers, scraping off little things that you want off. It's amazing. Then we have the outside the box frame. This is a 5x7. These are a wooden frame. They are double-sided. This frame pops out. It just slides out. Let me open this to show you how this works, because it's really neat. And guys, a lot of these products ship with really good pieces of cardboard. I usually save those. Okay, so here's our outside the box frame. Here's the white side. Here's the brown side. You pop this out and you chalk on the white side. If you want to do something different on the back, you chalk it on the back. Both sides are usable, and you can get refills for these. So you can buy one frame, buy refills, and then store it so much easier. These outside the box frames are amazing. Look, you get a small squeegee. The small squeegee is not so small. This is the size I usually use. It's great. There is one size that's smaller. It's a mini squeegee. And then of course there's like your detail tool. you get, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these color trays. These are used when you have your individual paste packets. You squeeze a little bit in here, and then you can easily apply your paste. Really great. Here is another outside the box frame. This one is our 9 by 12. This is a size I use a lot. So we were talking about our B-size transfers. They're 8.5 by 11. Can you see how these are going to fit perfectly in these frames? And once again, they're double-sided. They're double-sided. You can buy the refills, just buy the frame once, and you can use that. Then you have your quick dry tool. And this one I think has got the longer cord. Now I have the original quick dry tool, and its cord was a little bit short for me. I kind of struggle with it, but I think this one is got the longer cord. So you get a quick dry tool. Use this for drying your paste in between layers, and then also when you're done, if you don't want to smear it. As you could jump on, please comment and let me know where you're watching from. I'd love to know where I'm reaching and who's interested in the product. But this quick dry tool is included in this $49 kit. Now our last thing included in here is kind of the star of the show. This is our Chalk Couture Gallery Aiden style white frame. It's a 9 by 12, so it's the same size as our out of the box frame. It fits all of your 8.5 by 11 transfers perfectly. And remember, you don't have to use any of these transfers exactly like they come. You can cut them apart. You can use some pieces of it for one thing and then move it on to embellish it with another transfer if you want to. But let's talk about this Aiden frame. This has a white wooden distressed frame, and this board is magnetic. It is a porcelain surface. It is magnetic. Let me see if I have any magnets here. I'm sure I do. So it's magnetic. So if you wanted to have an element of your design, like a chalkable shape that you've done, and change it out, and you can put a magnet on it and switch it out. These are magnetic, these frames. So if you're looking for the magnetic feature of this board, always look for the Aiden. They are our top of the line boards. They are a little expensive, but this is included in your $49 kit. Let me see how much just that board is by itself. You know, the retail value of this whole kit is over like $247, I believe, US. Let me check that real quick just to verify. Retail pricing on that is $262. That's the value of this whole kit. And you're gonna get it for $49 if you sign up now as a designer. Then you get the right to purchase that for $49. So once again, I'm gonna recap what you get. You get that gorgeous Aiden frame, which is the porcelain finish magnetic frame, reusable forever. This is one of our frames that you can chalk, do a beautiful design, and then you're done with fall. So you want to move on to Halloween. You spray this down with water. This didn't come with the kit, but you spray it with water, let it sit for a minute. You use a paste scraper, which also is not included in the kit, but it looks like this. And you would scrape off that paste, wipe it off with a paper towel because it'll be like mud, and then you'll use your board erasers to wipe off any remaining paste, any shadowing. So this is amazing in itself. This is just gorgeous. Then you get a 9 by 12 outside the box frame. It slides in and out. It's two-sided on that board, and you can buy refills. You get the smaller outside the box frame, and it's got the wooden frame. You can buy replacement refills. These can come out. You can chalk on both sides, and you can store these. So if you had like 10 of these for different holidays, you can just stack them up and store them. When the holidays come around, you pick the one that applies and you pop it in your frame. This is also kind of nice because I have like a rotating stand on my table, and I can do both sides of this, and they stand on their own. So I can just put it in the middle of my table and it can turn and have both sides displayed. So you're going to get your 2 board erasers. You're going to get 6 color trays. You're going to get this detail tool, which has this really small squeegee end and a pointed end right here. You're going to get 6 individual paste packets in the eucalyptus, the bright white, the ocean mist, storm, papaya, and dune. You're going to get 2 B-size transfers. You're going to get, three B-size transfers. You're going to get 2 A-size transfers. These are our smallest. 2 full-size jars of paste, a fuzzing cloth, and a quick dry tool for $49. Right now, it's normally $99, but it's retail value for $262. So type in info if you want to get more information about a designer ship and purchasing this kit. If you're going to sign up for the Access Pass, which is only $10 this month, definitely sign up for the starter kit. That is one of the main reasons I initially joined. Back then the kit was $99, and they vary from month to month with promos, but this kit's amazing. I'm here to answer any questions that you may have. Do you guys have any questions? Type them in the comments if you do. Hi Lee, how are you? I'm here to answer any questions about designer ships. One question we have a lot is, do I have to sell the product? No, you don't. You can sign up as a designer for $20 a month. It is a monthly fee, but you get $20 product credit, which needs to be used within 30 days to use on products. So that's great. You don't have to sell the product. I initially joined because I wanted the starter kit, to tell you the truth, and I love going live. So it's kind of a bonus. I miss it when I don't go live. It kind of motivates me. It gets me creating. I love to see what I can do. I love to see if I can become creative and use things in different ways. Do you have to purchase a minimum amount every month? No, there's no monthly minimum. There used to be a monthly minimum, a quarterly minimum. There is not a minimum anymore. You do have to pay your $20 a month to remain active. Once again, that $20 a month gets you your Chalk website, which they maintain it for you. It does everything for you. It's just a place that has your website name on it, your business name on the end of it, and when people order through your website, you get a 25% commission. Do you guys have any other questions? I thank you guys so much for watching. I'm here. Shoot me a DM anytime you want if you have a question. I love this product. I love creating. I love going live. But I really do think this is the best time to buy and to join because the seasons are coming up. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and follow the page, share it with someone that you think would love it. And I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.